Hello and welcome back. My name is Christine. If you don't know me, I'm the creator of the Useful Glowing Skin System. I'm passionate in building the right skincare routine for the younger looking and healthy skin. Recently, I've been asked a lot of the anti-aging skincare questions, such as what's the best skincare ingredients for anti-aging product? When should I start anti-aging product? And what is the best skincare for someone in their 20s or 40s? I've answered 4 common questions in last week's video, including what is the best anti-aging ingredient and how to prevent the wrinkles. In today's video, I will answer some other common questions like what is the best age to start anti-aging product and what is the food to prevent the wrinkles and how to choose the right anti-aging skincare. Before I get into these questions, please remember to give this video a like and subscribe so you will not miss such of this video in the future. Then I will be very encouraged for your support. Question number 1. Are wrinkles genetic? Fortunately, no. You may have inherited your eyes and your smiles from your parents. But for wrinkles, it is one of the things that is not genetic. Ivona Pasek, who is a medical dermatologist and a physician at Penn Plastic Surgery, he explained that when it comes to wrinkles, there are much more impactful factors than genetics in play. For instance, up to 90% of the visible skin damage is a result of the sun damage, which is called photo damage. Our ingredients study also show that excessive sun exposure will lead to your skin premature aging. Does this mean that we should all hide in the shade forever? No. There are many benefits of going out in the sun. One of the benefits is providing essential vitamin D, which is very important for our bone growth and the calcium absorption. Another benefit is to stimulate endorphins, which is the source of the happiness. What we should do is to provide our skin with the right skincare routine, which I will share in the later part of the video. Question number 2. When should I start using the anti-aging products? Although anti-aging product isn't an essential part of most 20-something-year-old skincare routine, it's at this age that's important to keep the skin well hydrated and retain the skin radiance and vitality in the later years. Small imperfections are not difficult to correct, such as the signs of fatigue and the stress. When hit your 30s, the wrinkles may soon be in the horizon. Who don't want to slow down the effect of time and minimize the appearance of the wrinkles on your skin? And when you enter your 40s and 50s, you feel the urgency to keep your younger look skin and prevent further wrinkles formation. So it's very crucial to include anti-aging products in your daily routine. But like I always like to tell my friends, the best time to start anti-aging product is in your 20s, and the second best time to start is now. Question number 3, are there foods to prevent the wrinkles formation? I strongly believe the healthy glowing skin starts with what we put in our bodies. Here I recommend top 3 anti-aging food to boost and support your younger look skin. Number 1, my favorite food is watercress. Watercress acts as the internal skin antiseptic and increase the circulation and bring the minerals to the cells of your body. This process can result in the oxygenation of the skin. Packed with vitamin A and vitamin C, these super antioxidants in the watercress can help neutralize the harmful free radicals. Therefore, it can keep the wrinkles and fine lines away. Number 2, my favorite food is red pepper. Red pepper are loaded with antioxidants, which aid in the anti-aging. In addition to the high vitamin C content, which is good for the collagen production, red bell pepper also contains very useful antioxidant called carotenoid. Carotenoids and plant pigments are responsible for bright red, yellow, and orange colors you see in many vegetables and fruits. They have a variety of the anti-inflammatory benefit, which can help protect your skin from the sun damage, pollution, and environmental toxins. Number 3, my favorite food is called papaya. This delicious superfood is very rich in a variety of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help you to improve your skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This wide range of antioxidants in papaya can help you to fight the free radicals damage and reduce the early signs of aging. Papaya also contains an enzyme called papain, which gives you additional anti-aging benefits by working as one of the nature's best anti-inflammatory agents. No wonder it's found in many exfoliating products. Keep looking for this ingredient in the anti-aging skincare. So yes, eating papaya or using the products with papain that will help you to remove the dead skin cells very efficiently and leaving your skin glowing and vibrant. I have many more foods to recommend to you for anti-aging. You can just go ahead to the description box below and download your free anti-aging checklist. Number 4 questions. What is recommended anti-aging skincare products? Here I recommend you the Skin Use OSE set for the younger look skin. This set contains the Balancing Moisturizer Gel Cream for oily skin and dehydrated skin, and it comes with 2 boosters. One is called Super Hydrating Booster to strengthen your skin barrier with microbiome technology. By now you should know microbiome is very useful technology to naturally balance your skin microbiota and improve your skin barrier, so you will have the well-hydrated skin. So this booster can give you up to 72-hour hydration after application. Another booster I recommend to you here is called the Skin Firming Booster. This booster contains a natural ingredient called the knotgrass extract that prevent you from the UV radiation and the infrared-induced aging. We also talked in other video that infrared-induced aging is more harmful than UV rays because it can penetrate in the deep skin layer. Here I want to show you how to layer these products with your current skincare routine. You can use the facial cleanser in the morning and apply the toner before the serum and the moisturizer, because toner can balance your skin and help you set good foundation for the next treatment. After serum and the moisturizer, you can apply your sunscreen. Remember, even for oily skin, you should use your moisturizer because serum is not enough to hydrate your skin, and the most serum is water-based. So I recommend you to use the gel cream moisturizer with the lightweight texture and fast absorbing, so your skin will not feel very tacky and will not clog your pores. This product has very good review recently. Based on the 100 Singapore women's trend review, 78% people highly recommend this product and give the overall 4.5 rating out of 5. So some people are curious how to use these products and how to layer. So you can just apply 1 pump of moisturizer and put into arm. Then mix with 3 drops of the Skin Firming Booster in the morning. After that, you can apply your sunscreen. And in the evening, you will apply same 1 pump of moisturizer and mix with 3 drops of Super Hydrating Booster. Then you apply on your face, massage to get fully absorbed. Remember to use the product continuously so you will enjoy the long-lasting skin improvement. That's ready to see your skin glowing in just 7 to 14 days. Now I have completed all the common questions for the anti-aging. Then if you have additional questions, please feel free to share in the comment box below, and I'm happy to answer. If you also have other tips for the anti-aging, please also share in the comment box, and I'd love to hear from you. Remember to subscribe our channel and to visit our website so you can personalize your routine with the Skin ID quiz, and you can see what is the best routine for your unique skin. Let's start glowing, and thank you for watching. See you next week.